Namaste and greetings, dear friends. I am here to speak with you about our Heal Your Life workshop, Forgiveness, the Key to Personal Freedom. I am here to speak with you why forgiveness and what is it that's going to happen in this forgiveness workshop. This workshop will guide you through powerful processes to release and to forgive past experiences, those experiences that prevent you from creating the life you really deserve. So, let us take this step together, you and I, with your fellow travelers. You will learn. Yes, you will learn why it is vital for your own well-being to forgive. You will also learn and experience exercises which will support you in releasing anger, resentment, fear, and guilt. Apart from that, you will also come to a point of understanding how important it is for us to take responsibility for our own well-being and the well-being of each and every person on this planet Earth through forgiveness. So I've made a few points on forgiveness, and I would like to add that forgiveness offers everything. Now you might wonder what I'm going to say, but yes, forgiveness for some would be, I don't have any past trauma, I don't remember any childhood issues, I don't have anyone to forgive at all. Some of us do remember and are conscious of traumas that we could have experienced in the past. And some of us may have just blocked those experiences out and are now at this point quite unaware of the impact that they are having on our lives. Forgiveness is an ongoing process. And yes, it could be the smallest things that we would take on every day. Someone coming late and you're getting annoyed over that, and that keeps on repeating over and over again and it piles on. Well, that could build up. So you will actually understand how to live in the present moment and be able to release this baggage that we've been carrying for so long. Forgiveness offers you everything. What do you want that forgiveness cannot give? Do you want peace? Yes, forgiveness can give you that. Do you want a quiet mind? A certainty of purpose? Forgiveness can give you that. Do you want to experience a sense of worth? Forgiveness will give you that. A beauty that transcends all of the world, that comes through forgiveness. Care and safety. Warmth of pure protection always. Feeling safe and well taken care of. Like I always say, I am sustained by the love of God and grace walks beside me. I am so clear about that, with full faith and trust. And the gentleness that can never hurt. This is who you will become, loving and kind, not being hurt and not coming to a point where you could hurt another being, because you yourself are filled up with so much of love and kindness. And also a rest so perfect that you can never be upset. Yes, forgiveness can give you all of this. There's another wonderful thing that I'd like to share with you, that when we are unwilling to forgive, it affects our well-being, emotionally, spiritually, and mentally. Emotionally, inside of getting stressed and anxious most of the time. Spiritually, we block ourselves off from the higher intelligence, and that prevents our growth on the pathway of spirituality. Well-being, resentment could give us pain, guilt could give us pain, and an illness or a dis-ease that we would continue to fight with. I have experienced this in my life, so I stand here and sit here talking to you about it. Yes, I will share in detail in the workshop how forgiveness has gotten me to a point where I stand today and where I could see the light of another day. Okay, so what is forgiveness? From the perspective of love and spirit or spirituality, forgiveness is the willingness to let go of past hurts, of not wanting to suffer anymore, to heal our heart and our soul. A choice to no longer find value in hatred and in anger, letting go of the desire to hurt and of being hurtful towards others. Also, the willingness to see the light in the other person and to see the light in the bigger picture in every situation. This is an ongoing journey and a process. And through forgiveness, we cross that imaginary bridge which leads us to love, love that resides in our heart, and love is God. I would want each of you to remember that when we fill ourselves up with love, only then can we share our love. And in the unwillingness to forgive, we are blocking love out for ourselves and from our heart. And inside of that, we have forgotten how to take extreme self-care of ourselves. And we continue to hurt, we continue to blame and judge and probably even criticize. Forgiveness, it is the elixir or the amrit giving you your wholeness and leading you onto the heart of God and into oneness with our Creator and all of creation. This is all of what this forgiveness workshop is going to give to all of you. And I would like to end this by saying, I believe with all my heart that peace will come to the world when each of us takes the responsibility of forgiving everyone, including ourselves, completely. This workshop, Forgiveness, the Key to Personal Freedom, is on the 6th and the 7th of August from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., 2 hours on both days. This is a virtual workshop on Zoom, and I will be sending out the link to each and every person who registered. Yes, there are a large number who have registered. There are some on the verge of registering and some still contemplating on what forgiveness is all about. Thank you so much for listening to me. Do stay in touch and give yourself the freedom to really soar, prosper, and grow in love, happiness, and great joy. Namaste. Thank you.